पूनम शर्मा। आज एक्टिव केमिस्ट्री में आपके साथ डिस्कस करेंगे न्यूट्रलाइजेशन प्रोसेस, जो एसिड बेस सॉल्ट की जान है। इसी में हम टॉपिक सॉल्ट भी कवर करेंगे, राइट। तो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन, एसिड रिएक्ट विद बेस टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट एंड वाटर। Sometime question arise, what products are formed during neutralization? Answer is salt and water. Acid react with base, produce salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization, and during this reaction heat is released. So it is also an example of exothermic reaction, and it is also example of double displacement reaction. Salts can be neutral, can be acidic, or can be basic. If a strong acid reacts with a strong base, we obtain neutral salt. If a strong acid reacts with weak base, then the salt is acidic salt. If weak acid, strong base, then salt is basic. For example, baking soda. Formula: sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. It is a basic salt. Sometimes you get confused. It is a salt, but you termed it as a base. Why? The reason is this, that sodium hydrogen carbonate formed from sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. The reason is this, that sodium hydrogen carbonate formed from sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. And you know, sodium hydroxide is a strong base and carbonic acid is weak acid. So this salt is basic salt. Got my point? Okay. Now one thing is that baking soda and baking powder, what is the difference in it? Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, while baking soda is combination or mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. Because we are consuming base is also corrosive in nature, so neutralize its effect we use edible acid, tartaric acid. Got it? Now neutralization process in everyday life. First, during indigestion, it means excess acidity in our stomach due to excessive secretion of hydrochloric acid. So we take as a remedial antacid. The question arises, what precaution you will take? Antacid. Got it? And in antacid we take magnesium hydroxide, which commonly known as milk of magnesia. Indigestion, antacid, milk of magnesia. Second, if soil is too much acidic, we use quicklime or slacked lime. Quicklime means calcium oxide, slacked lime calcium hydroxide. If soil is too much acidic, we use quicklime or slacked lime. Quicklime means calcium oxide, slacked lime calcium hydroxide. If soil is too much basic, we use organic matter to neutralize it. Third, antisting contain formic acid. To neutralize it, we use calamine solution. Calamine solution means zinc carbonate. And when waste bite, it contains base, which we neutralize by taking acetic acid. Factory waste should be disposed before treating with bases: quicklime, slacked lime. Okay, these all are application of neutralization in everyday life. Okay, bye bye. I hope you got my all points. All the best for your exam.